Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2003 Yamaha FJR1300. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in and take a closer look. This is HPI clear. Let's have a government mileage check. Everything's okay. Does come with a spare key as well. We'll start up at the front and we'll work all our way around the bike. Get a good close look at the condition. It's in a deep metallic blue. Paintwork is very nice on this. It's got this large screen. Now that is a power screen, so you've got a button on the bars so that you can move that up and down, adjust it at the flick of a switch. Let's have a look over on the right hand side. Get a look under there, at the front. Let's get a good look over the left hand side. It does have the frame bungs on there to protect it. Get a good look low down. You can see it is shaft driven, this. Drive shaft on there. So no chain and sprocket. Get a good look at the tank. Look at the exhaust on this side. Try and get a look at the wheel. It is hard to see because it has got the Yamaha luggage on this. As you can see, it's got the colour coded luggage boxes. Let's have a look at the tank and the seat. Let's get a good look at it from the back. Get a look down there. We'll move over to the right hand side. Let's get a look at the exhaust on this side. Try and get a good look at the wheel if we can. And let's take a good look at the rest of it on the right side. Try and get a good look low down there. What we'll do, we'll go up and have a look at the controls and grab the mileage off it as well. Right, let's go and have a look at the controls on this. You can see you've got your hazards on this side, you've got your starter, kill switch, your throttle and front brake, which is fully adjustable on the reach. Now we'll move over to the other side. We've got the clutch, fully adjustable. Got the lights, the indicators and the horn. You've also, this is the button to send the screen up and down. You've also got grip on there. We'll switch down there. Turn this on. We'll get the mileage and I'll just show you this. It goes up and down. Let's have a look at the mileage. You can see it's done 38,842. Okay, let's start this up and we'll listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.